So anyone, you can raise hand from S letter. Shreyansh, what is the difference between cross pollination and self pollination? Who knows the answer? Now tell me. किसी को भी नहीं आता है? Okay, Nandika, thank you so much. Yes, Nandika. Cross pollination. Nandika, cross pollination and self pollination. Yes, Nandika.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, self-pollination occurs when the flower is being when the same flower is being pollinated. मतलब उसी flower में pollination is occurring. And cross-pollination occurs when in the same plant different flowers are being pollinated.
Exactly. We have when the, yes, we have when the same flower, sorry, we have the same flower in a one plant. Yes. Who is next to that is the Mehul. Yes, Mehul, wait. Yes, Mehul.
Ma'am, in self-pollination, the transfer of pollen grain is from in one plant, means from a single plant, one flower to another. But in cross-pollination, there are two different plants of same species.
Okay, very good. So we are having the two definitions of cross-pollination and self-pollination. Now we will move on to the next question. My next question is, can you give me the reproductive part of a male reproductive system? Can anyone give me the reproductive parts I said, not only one part, of male reproductive system? Anyone? From anyone? Akshat? Viram, wait, I'll give you the chance in last. Harshit, you also. दिव्यांश, आपको सबके सामने बोलना है बेटा. ओके, अरिहंत, ठीक है. यस, अरिहंत.
मैम, vast difference.
Yes.
Urethra.
Penis. Yes.
Penis.
Yes.
Testis.
Yes.
Bladder.
What is the last one?
Gland.
Glands.
Gland.
So any particular glands?
मैम याद नहीं आ रहा.
कोई बात नहीं. जितना याद है उतना बहुत है. और अच्छे से मेहनत करना. Yes, Darshan. Yes. Cowper's gland. Yes. Cowper's gland and prostate gland मैंने तुमको बताया था. These are the glands which helps in lubrication and to swim the sperm. ठीक, चलो. Harshit, your chance.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, testes, epidermis, vast difference, and penis, and scrotum. This much only I know.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Very good. Now, Viram, I will change your question. You have to say the parts of female reproductive system. Parts of female reproductive system.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, parts of female reproductive system are fallopian tube, vagina, and cervix, uterus, and vagina.
Very good, Divyansh. Keep it up. Very good. Divyansh is writing answer in the chat and he is absolutely correct. Very good, Divyansh. He has given me the answer: vagina, fallopian tube, ovary, ovule. Excellent. Now my next question is ki why the testis located outside the abdominal cavity? Why it is not inside the abdominal cavity? Why the testis located outside? देखो, जिसको जो आंसर आता है ना वो उसका आंसर दो. जितना समझ में आया तुमको जो भी डाउट होगा मैं हूं उसके लिए, मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, बट विद अ गुड इंटेंशन. Very good, Divyansh, but I want this in English. Yes, Nandika, you are also correct. Millie, you are incomplete. In your answer, there will be some more. Yes, Nandika, it is complete. So now I'm giving chance to Darshan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Darshan.
Ma'am, the testes make sperm, so they are as for making the sperm, the temperature is required particular amount of. So we can tell that because of the temperature, the testes are located outside.
Acha. So what will be the temperature of sperm and what will be the temperature of human body?
Around 40-50 around.
नहीं. Normal temperature of human body कितना होता है? वीरम, हर्षित, normal temperature of human?
Yes, ma'am. Normal से 3 degree कम.
2 to 3 degree less. तो normal temperature
Yes,
is
ma'am, 2 to
37.
3.
Yes, खुशी, exactly.
No.
ठीक है. Normal temperature जो होता है वो हमारा 37 डिग्री होता है. In case of Fahrenheit.
Ma'am, means 33 degree.
ठीक है. So कोई नहीं. अच्छा, what is puberty? What is puberty? Puberty explain करना है. What is puberty? Yes, Nandika. What is puberty?
Yes, ma'am. Puberty is a process through which human beings develop their secondary sexual characters, along with bodily and bodily changes also occur, and changes from mental state of mind also changes at that period.
So I won't make correction in this. See students, in any in इस दुनिया में जो भी words होते हैं ना, उस words के पीछे अगर TION जुड़ा होता है, then it is a process, Nandika. So puberty is not a process. It is an age in which the sexual organs going to be developed. So the term given to that age is puberty. इस एज में सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन का डेवलपमेंट होता है, उसको हम प्यूबर्टी बोलते हैं. जिस वर्ड के पीछे रिप्रोडक्शन, रेस्पिरेशन, तो अगर TION लग रहा है, दैट इज द प्रोसेस. ये हमेशा याद रखना. किसी भी केस में आप इवेपोरेशन पढ़ते हो, आप कभी भी TION पढ़ते हो, देन इट विल बी द प्रोसेस. और नहीं तो जहां पर TION नहीं होता, देन इट इज अ फेनोमेनन. ओके. Yes, Mehul, absolutely. ठीक है. So now if the question is there कि give two function of any of the part of a male reproductive system. कोई भी आपके ऊपर है, कोई भी पार्ट उठाओ, उसके दो फंक्शंस बताओ. तो आप कोई भी पार्ट का मुझे दो फंक्शंस बताइए. Yes, Darshan. Darshan?
No, ma'am, it was by mistake.
Okay. Nandika, now I'm giving. Yes, you are correct. You are correct. If you will not get the chance or anyone will not get the chance, they can write in the chat. Yes, you are correct. Viram? Divyansh, very good. Keep it up. Viram? Viram? Check your network, Viram. Okay, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, I want to add some points in the question of puberty.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in boys, puberty occurs at the age of 13 to 14 years.
13
Uh,
to 13
and
to?
in 13 to 14 years.
नहीं.
And
Puberty starts from 13 to 19 years. In between 13 to 19, इसीलिए उसको टीन एज बोलते हैं, एडलोसेंट बोलते हैं. ठीक है हर्षित, और क्या ऐड करना है?
this one.
Okay. So my next question is, now students, एक चीज और मुझे बोलना है. Yes, हर्षित? Harshit? Rakshita is saying male reproductive help to deposit and produce sperm. बेटा deposit word नहीं आएगा, ठीक है? Deposit नहीं होता है. It reproduces sperm. Deposit नहीं होता ना English. And Aditya is to maintain, to produce, maintain and transport. They transport sperm. मतलब what transports sperm? Yes, Harshit? And protect fluidity. स्टूडेंट्स, पता है तुम लोगों को आंसर सबको सब कुछ आता है, बट दिक्कत ये है कि तुम अभी तक सेंटेंस, तुमको ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि तुम लोगों को आंसर लिखना कैसे है. तो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है कि तुम ये देखो कि तुमको आंसर लिखना कैसे. See, Aditya is writing to produce, maintain and transport sperm and protective fluid, the male reproductive cell. You are correct, Aditya, but the statement formation is not right. You will write the answer. For example, this question is of 2 types or 3 types, and if you are writing the answer, you will get only 1 or half. पूरा concept clear है, तुमको सब कुछ आता है, but still. Yes, Harshit? Harshit? You have raised hand.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, epidermis stores and nourishes the sperm.
Yes. Good morning, Harsh. Now this is your new period for this week till your board exam. So be ready for this period, na? Bio period इसको छोड़ना मत. Okay, Harshit. Yes. My next question is कि why is nutrition necessary for the human body? Nutritious जो food होता है ये इतना जरूरी क्यों होता है? This question is very easy. Anyone can give the answer. This is for the life process question. किसी को देना है? Or if anyone wants to write it in chat. Yes, to get energy. अगर ये question 3 marks में आता है, then you have to write 3 points. और 3 points को elaborate करना है. सबसे पहले चलो, here Millie is saying to get energy. Now how they will get energy? To get a nutritional food. You will explain the nutrients. You will explain the nutritional definition. ठीक. Second question, for the holistic growth and the survival of mankind. So this point was given by the Nandika. So for the survival of the mankind, for the reproduction, for the growth, ठीक है, आपको इसको explain करना है. And Arihant is again, he is having 2 points. To maintain the life process. Yes, it includes the point with the Nandika, what Nandika was said, that for the holistic growth and the survival of mankind. तो आपने इस तरह से 3 points को लिख कर underline करके then you have to write 2 to 3 points. For respiration process, हाँ इसमें तुम for respiration process लिख सकते हो, but in short, detail में respiration नहीं लिखना है. Khushi, it provide energy for the various metabolic processes in the body. Yes. Yes, it is correct. My next question is, why is small intestine in herbivorous longer than in carnivorous? Why is small intestine in herbivorous longer than in carnivorous? Small intestine क्यों longer रहती है herbivorous में as compared to carnivorous? Anyone? Arihant?
Ma'am, because the herbivorous eat undigested food like plant, grass, and carnivorous eat digested food. That's why they have small intestine, and herbivorous have large small intestine.
Herbivorous जो animals होते हैं, these animals, they are having a certain bacteria in their body. वो bacteria helps to digest the cellulose. But वो, yes Nandika, yes. तो उस cellulose को digest करने के लिए herbivorous का जो intestinal part होता है वो लंबा होता है और उसको वो बाद में digest करते हैं. Yes Nandika, this is correct. हाँ. Yes Divyansh. 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 Divyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, can't we say the point that means as we have studied the 10% law?
You have studied that 10% law, but that 10% law is not related with the intestine. वो आप
can it be related or not? As plants means what happens is the energy gets very much reduced. That is, it gets to 10%. So when they're eating plants, it's a complex type of thing. But when the carnivores are eating the animals, so there it's not a huge amount of energy. But as we have seen all the scavengers, when they eat the thing, they don't even get means very less amount of energy. So for digesting only, it will take more energy than they are getting from the food. So like this, we can say that as they are getting higher amount of energy, means जो स्कैवेंजर्स रहते हैं उनको तो बहुत कम एनर्जी लगती है, तो वो डाइजेस्ट करने में ही उनकी एनर्जी खत्म हो जाती है, वो उनकी शायद डेथ हो जाती है. अब वही चीज बहुत हाई अमाउंट में एनर्जी मिलती है जो काउज एंड वो सब रहते हैं, तो इसीलिए उसको डाइजेस्ट करने में बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगता है. दैट कैन बी मींस एक रिलेटेबल पॉइंट रह सकता है.
हाँ, एक वो तुम लिख सकते हो, बट तुम्हें ये पूरा लॉन्ग प्रोसेस समझाना पड़ेगा. फिर तुमको ये पूरा लॉन्ग प्रोसेस समझाना पड़ेगा कि 10% लॉ कैसे काऊ के लिए बेनिफिशियल है सबसे ज्यादा, या हर्बीवोरस एनिमल्स के लिए बेनिफिशियल है. ये फिर तुमको पूरा अच्छे से समझाना पड़ेगा. द पॉइंट इज करेक्ट, बट यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन इट इन डिटेल, क्योंकि 10% लॉ लिखकर तुम अगर बोलोगे तो ये आंसर किसी को भी समझ में नहीं आने वाला. सब सोचेंगे बच्चा थोड़ा कंफ्यूज है और वो इस आंसर में दूसरे आंसर को समझ के लिख रहा है. तुमको ये आंसर को पूरा एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. So students, now I am having only 4 minutes. I want to discuss that today I will upload the sample paper of golden. ठीक है. साइंस का गोल्डन का सैंपल पेपर आपको पोर्टल में मिल जाएगा. आप उसको प्लीज पढ़िएगा, क्योंकि प्री बोर्ड्स के लिए हमने आपको 2020 मेरा आपने देखा होगा 21 का भी सैंपल पेपर मेरे उसमें अपलोडेड है. गोल्डन का भी सैंपल पेपर अपलोड हो जाएगा. ये सारे सैंपल पेपर्स आपको अच्छे से पढ़ने हैं फॉर ऑल द 3 सब्जेक्ट्स. मैं सिर्फ बायोलॉजी की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. ठीक है. सो आज तुम्हारा सिर्फ 5-6 क्वेश्चन ही हो पाया है. नेक्स्ट टाइम और नेक्स्ट पीरियड, इस वीक से तुम लोगों के 3 पीरियड्स हैं बायोलॉजी के. सो बी रेडी एवरी डे. It's okay, Viram. It's okay. I understand. So, God bless you. Be ready for other subjects. Okay. Bye.